folks, Lisa Hendrickson here. I'm a Microsoft Outlook expert, and today I'd like to share 3 reasons why you might need the stellar PST Repair Tool to help you convert your PST to a better working PST file. First reason is age of the PST file. Many people think that they can just import their old one from the Outlook 2003 and 2007 that they created. Outlook 2016 generally will pop up an error and want you to fix the file. And sometimes the Microsoft built-in scan tool just doesn't work. So you need to find another product, and that's where Stellar comes in. Stellar does a great job of converting the file to a new PST so you can open up your data. Number 2 is the size of a PST. So sometimes those old Outlook 2003 and 2007 ones, you actually went over the limit allowed and it's broken, but it didn't break in your Outlook then, but it broke in the new Outlook 2016. Sometimes you're just using 2016 and it still is too big and it can break and get corrupted. That's another reason. And the third one, and this is a big one, okay, is that you're keeping your PST file that you're using in Outlook, you're keeping it in Dropbox or Google Drive or one of those synchronizing programs, OneDrive especially. You can't have a working PST file in a file synchronizing program. It will break probably, okay? So the nice thing about Stellar, the PST Repair Tool, is you can download it, go find your email, make sure it's there, then you can buy it, activate it, and then convert it to a PST file in one shot. You don't need to go and run another download and run the conversion. It can take a long time, especially if you're using an old hard drive. If you have a new solid-state drive, it goes pretty fast, so it should be done in, an hour or 2, but if you have a very large one, expect it to take a little bit longer, okay? All right, folks, that's it. That's my product review, and let me know if you have any questions. You can go ahead and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Bye now.